Hello families, you are welcome back to another video from Renka Kitchen. Today's video is all about papaya and avocado facial scrub. Stay tuned and watch me do this. For the ingredients, we have rose water, coconut oil. We're going to be making use of pawpaw and avocado. Apart from the rose water, the other ingredients you can easily find it in your kitchen. Papaya can help to improve the elasticity of your skin. If you really want your face to look smooth and to look every year young, you actually need this scrub 3 times in a week. Avocado has a lot of health benefits for our skin, such as preventing skin damages. It also minimizes breakouts and also improves your skin health and other many health benefits. I'll be making use of half tablespoon of coconut oil. You only need to add 1 tablespoon of rose water. Rose water is needed in order for us to improve our complexion, skin complexion, and also to reduce redness. Please kindly avoid making use of water. This is a special facial scrub that you can apply 30 minutes before you shower. After about 30 minutes, I applied this scrub. I'm going to be washing it off with lukewarm water. This is after I must have washed it off and dried it with a towel. So I'm going to be making use of this oil, which is made of carrots, orange and olive oil. I'm also going to be leaving a link of how I make this oil, but you can as well make use of any oil of your choice. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.